Hello friends, welcome to EduFree YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss CSE Prelims 2019 paper. We have already discussed 80 question in our last videos. So friends, without delay, let's see the first question of this video. With reference to the Constitution of India, consider the following statement. Statement 1. No High Court shall have the jurisdiction to declare any central law to be constitutionally invalid. Statement 2. An amendment to the Constitution of India cannot be called into question by the Supreme Court of India. Which of the statement given above is oblique or correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option 3 both, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. The right answer of this question is D neither 1 nor 2. इसमें से कोई से भी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट नहीं है. Let's move to the next question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Purchasing power parity PPP exchange rates are calculated by comparing the prices of the same basket of goods and services in different countries. Statement 2. In terms of PPP dollars, India is the sixth largest economy in the world. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. The right answer of this question is option A 1 only. Let's move to the next question. With reference to the cultivation of kharif crops in India in the last 5 years, consider the following statement. Statement 1. Area under rice cultivation is the highest. 2. Area under the cultivation of jowar is more than that of oilseeds. 3. Area of cotton cultivation is more than that of sugarcane. 4. Area under sugarcane cultivation has steadily increased. Which of the statement given above are correct? Option A 1 and 3 only, option B 2, 3 and 4 only, option C 2 and 4 only, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer of this question is option A 1 and 3 only. Let's move to the next question. Among the agricultural commodities, take a moment, sorry. Among the agricultural commodities imported by India, which one of the following accounts for the highest imports in terms of value in the last 5 years? A. Spices, B. fresh fruits, C. pulses, D. vegetable oils. The right answer of this question is D. vegetable oils. In the context of polity, which one of the following would help accept as the most appropriate definition of liberty? A. Protection against the tyranny of political rules. B. Absence of restraints. C. Opportunity to do whatever one likes. D. Opportunity to develop oneself fully. The right answer of this question is option D. Opportunity to develop oneself fully. Option D. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following is not the most likely measure the government or RBI takes to stop the slide of Indian rupee? A. Curbing imports of non-essential goods and promoting exports. B. Encouraging Indian borrowers to issue denominated masala bonds. C. Easing condition relating to external commercial borrowings. D. Following an expansionary monetary policy. The right answer of this question is option D, following an expansionary monetary policy. Let us see the next question. Consider the following statements: the Reserve Bank of India's recent directives relating to storage of payment system data, popularly known as data dictate, command the payment system provides that statement 1, they shall ensure that entire data relating to payment system operated by them are stored in a system only in India. 2, they shall ensure that the system are owned and operated by public store enterprises. 3, they shall submit the consolidated system audit report to the Comptroller and Auditor General of India by the end of the calendar year. Which of the statement given above are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. The right answer of this question is option A 1 only. Option A 1 only. Let us see the next question. Which of the following adopted a law on data protection and privacy for its citizens known as General Data Protection Regulation in April 2016 and started implementation of it from 25th May 2018? A. Australia, B. Canada, C. the European Union, D. the United States of America. The right answer of this question is the European Union. Let us see the next question. Sorry. Recently, India signed a deal known as Action Plan for Privatization and implementation of corporation areas in the nuclear field with which of the following countries? Japan, Russia, United Kingdom and the United States of America. The right answer of this question is B. Russia. Let us see the next question. The money multiplier in an economy increase with which one of the following? A. Increase in the reserve ratio. B. Increase in the banking habit of the population. C. Increase in the statutory liquidity ratio. D. Increase in the population of the country. The right answer of this question is option B. Increase in the banking habit of the population. Let us see the next question. In the context of digital technologies for entertainment, consider the following statements. Option A, statement A, statement 1, statement 1, in augmented reality a simulated environment is created and the physical world is completely shut out. 2, in virtual reality where images generated from a computer are projected onto real-time objects or surroundings. 3. AR allows individuals to be present in the world and improves the experience using the camera of smartphone or PC. 4. VR closes the world and and transposes an individual, providing complete immersion experience. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 3 and 4 only, option C 1, 2 and 3, and option D 4 only. The right answer of this question is B 3 and 4 only. Option B 3 and 4 only. Let's see the next question. The word devolution is sometimes mentioned in media in reference to A. Fossils of a kind of dinosaurs, B. An early human species, C. A cave system found in northeast India, D. A geological period in the history of Indian subcontinent. The right answer of this question is an early human species. That means option B, an early human species. Let's see the next question. With reference to the recent developments in science, which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A, functional chromosomes can be created by joining segments of DNA taken from cells of different species. B, pieces of artificial functions DNA can be created in laboratories. C, a piece of DNA taken out from an animal cell can be made to replicate outside a living cell in a laboratory. D, cells taken out from plants and animals can be made to undergo cell division in laboratory. Petri dishes. The correct answer of this question is functional. That means option A. Option A is the correct answer of this question. Functional chromosomes can be created by joining segments of DNA taken from cells of different species. Let's see the next question. Consider the following statements. A digital signature is one, an electronic record that identifies the certifying authority using it to serve as a proof of identity of an individual to access information for server on internet. 3, an electronic method of signing an electronic documents and ensuring that the original content is unchanged. Which of the statement given above is oblique correct? Is option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. The right answer of this question is all of the above. That means 1, 2 and 3. Option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. In the context of wearable technology, which of the following tasks is oblique accomplished by wearable devices? A. Location identification of a person, sleep monitoring of a person. 3. Assisting the hearing impaired person. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. The right answer of this question is option D 1, 2 and 3, that means all of the above. Next, let's see the next question. RNA interference technology has gained popularity in the last few years. Why? Statement A. Statement 1. It is used in developing DNA silencing therapies. 2. It can be used in developing therapies for the treatment of cancer. 3. It can be used to develop hormone replacement therapies. 4. It can be used to produce crop plants that are resistant to viral pathogens. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1, 2 and 4, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3 and D 1 and 4 only. The right answer of this question is A 1, 2 and 4. Let's see the next question. Recently, scientists observed the merger of giant black holes billions of light years away from the Earth. What is the significance of this observation? A. Higgs boson particles were detected. B. Gravitational waves were detected. C. Possibility of intergalactic space travel through wormhole was confirmed. D. It enabled the scientists to understand singularity. The right answer of this question is option B. Gravitational waves were detected. Let's see the next question. Which of the following are the reason for the occurrence of multi-drug resistance in microbial pathogen in India? 1. Genetic predisposition of some people. 2. Taking incorrect doses of antibiotics to cure disease. 3. Using antibiotics in livestock farming. 4. Multiple chronic disease in some people. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1, 3 and 4 and option D 2, 3 and 4. The right answer of this question is option A 1 and 2 only. Let's see the next question. What is gas? What is CAS9 protein that is often mentioned in news? A molecular sensors used in targeted gene editing. B. A biosensor used in the accurate detection of pathogens in patients. C. A gene that makes plants pieces pest resistant. D, a herbicidal substance synthesized in genetically modified crops. The right answer of this question is A. Option A is the right answer of this question. A molecular sensors used in targeted gene editing. Let's move to the next question. Which one of the following statement is not correct? A. Hepatitis B is virus in transmitted. Hepatitis B virus is transmitted much like HIV. B. Hepatitis B, unlike hepatitis C, doesn't have a vaccine. C. Globally, the number of people infected with hepatitis B and C viruses are several times more than those infected by HIV. Those infected with HIV. D. Some of those infected with hepatitis B and C viruses do not show the symptoms for many years. The correct answer of this question is option B. Hepatitis B, unlike hepatitis C, does not have a vaccine. So friends, this is the today's video. We have discussed all question in this video. We have completed the 2019 prelims question paper. So friends, in the next video we will bring the 2018 question discussion. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye, have a good day.